In this video, you'll learn how to turn on keyboard auto correction for your Pixel 9. By following these steps, you will enhance your typing experience and improve accuracy in your text inputs. Begin by unlocking your Pixel 9 and accessing the main menu. Locate and tap on the settings icon, which typically resembles a gear. Once you are in the settings menu, scroll down until you find the system option and select it. Within the system settings, navigate to languages and input. Here, you will see options related to input methods. Next, tap on on-screen keyboard, which will display a list of keyboards currently installed on your device. Select the keyboard you are using, usually labeled as Gboard if you were using the default option. This action opens the keyboard settings where you can adjust various features, ensure that you are indeed using the default keyboard, as this is necessary to proceed with the changes. After accessing the keyboard settings, look for a section labeled text correction or tipping. Within this section, you will find the option for auto correction. To enable this feature, simply toggle the switch to the on position. This setting will automatically correct any typing errors as you type. Confirm that the toggle is showing as activated, indicating that auto correction is now enabled. Once you've enabled auto correction, it's time to test the feature to ensure it functions properly. Open a messaging application such as Messages or WhatsApp and start typing a message. As you type, observe how the keyboard suggests and corrects words in real time. If you notice that the auto correction is not performing to your liking, you can return to the settings to make additional adjustments for a better typing experience. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.